Does this thing turn so good too? Hopefully it's not too much turning. Get this thing going, get the pickup dropped. Right, where's the pickup? There it is down there. Nice leg animation on that. And we'll make our bales. I got this thing going a little bit faster too. It does, I think normally it was like 11 again, and I went up to 15. I'm sure this thing just unloads like a normal baler here. Nice. It's a nice animation on that too. Looks really good. I've seen these in a lot of like farm shows and stuff like that.